Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, my name is Nikomang Sinta Ardana Iswari. In this video, I will explain about qualitative research. Qualitative research can be understood as a research method that uses descriptive data in the form of the written or the spoken language from the people and actors who can be observed. This qualitative approach is carries out the explain and analyze individual or group phonemes, events, social dynamics, attitudes, belief, and the perfection. The following are the part of the qualitative research, namely, number one is classroom action research. Action research is an activity or the corrective action from planning, implementation, and the evaluation carried out in the structured manner so that its validity and the reliability reach levels. Classroom action research is an action research carried out by a teacher in the classroom. Action research is essentially a series of the research action research activities carried out the inflow solving problems until the problem is the solved. Touch car is class for the stakes, starting with action planning, continuing with the learning action and the observation activities, and ending with the reflection to analyze the data of this action. Characteristic of the car participation, democratic force, and the contraction research and connecting problems. And the particle view collaborative, for the example, a student observe the melting process of the ice cube placed in the church pen and the open pen or in the glass. Students are also access the compares and the records the ratio. And then number two, evaluation research. Evaluation research, also known as a program evaluation, is a systematic analysis that evaluation whether the program or the strategy is worth to the time, money, and the resource expended to achieve a goals. Based on the goals of the projects, this research might target a different audience. Evaluation research helps determines the effectiveness of the efforts and the cost on the products. This ensures that the products and the values and the myths and the explanation. Evaluation research is an important factor that help this year a product before the after launch actually the works and the intended. Evaluation method usually consists of the procedure and the protocol that ensure a systematic action and the consistency in the way evaluation are carried out. Methods might focus on the collecting or the analysis information on data, maybe a quantitative or the qualitative, and my attempts describe, explain, inform action. For the example, this research aims to evaluate whether the buku cerita education program has achieved the research goal, interesting student interest in the reading and the reading ability in the elementary school. And number three, understanding a case study research. A good case study brings hyponym on the left for the readers and help them understand its meaning that is from the research. Case study is this by interest in individual's case, not by methods of the for the example, some research focus on the single case study because of their intrinsic interest, but there's others research to the multiple case to test genres, always themes and the patterns. The epistemological orientation of the most case study research is the interpretive, but there are some who methods reflex and the positivist orientation, the objective to the uh, picture of the phonemes. Research try to describe phonemes and conceptualize it, the describe and the focus various phonemes, such as the meaning given by a research participant to their life and the efforts, contextual factor and the influence in their life is a series event and the three possible impacts. As we know, as things the sociality. Number two, develop a possible explanation. Some case study research aims to the approach and the explanation of the phenomena. By the study, we can test explanation partners, meaning that's one types variance of observation in the case study, in the other observation and the variation. Number three, to affiliate the phonemes. In each approach, research conducts case study and make additionally research and correct description of the phenomena being evaluated and identify select contracts, themes, and partners. Case study at the evaluation are the interestingly being conducted because educational programs that refers government's funding are the required to the undergone formal evaluation. The role of the case study research in the data collection is more complex. This means that the character of data collection and is the personally influenced in the phenomenon-based study. This research will likely interact closely with a participant in the field, the social event in the field, and the empathy and other psychological process to understand the meaning of the phonemes by experience by individual and the group in the action. And collects case study data, personal influence. There are the few frames rules about how approach a personal influence or the disclosures by us research is B. Analyze data during data collection and accurate field context notice. Case study research use a stand from to summarize data collection events. Complete from my relevance, missing information, and the should be indicate the need for further data collection. For the example, several fields that use a case study are social, cultural, educational, extensive community of permits, and many others. Of the course, each scientific or at the different case study according to the aim, them or the research. Number four, culture research is a research methodology that's focused on the exploring and the understanding human behaviors, experience, and the perspective touch known on the numerical data, the textual analysis. It's the full list in the ability to prove risk depths in and the means descending on the complex social phonemes. Traditional qualitative research often use methods such as the ethnophonemy as a case study, context analysis, and the thematics analysis to converse understanding partner and the themes in the data. Culture study is the interdisciplinary academic fields of the study that explores the relationship between a culture, sociality, and the power. The following describe four of the these traditional beliefs as the choppy and the phonemes logical research, personology, phonemes, grapes, and the grains of the life. And the cognitive personology is major influence in the additional research and the parties. Most notably, educators make intensive use of the explain the data design of scoring of the test reflects and the strong qualitative interest of traditional research and phenomena. The study of the words see in the individual warning, the place they serve in the state, the collects, reflects, and the attempts to be from everyday business and the belief. Life story research. Life story research, the study of an individual life experience from the perspective of how the individual interprets and understands the world around him. This is not a case research. Phenoms phonography. Phenoms is the specific method from describe to the various ways people conceptual the words around them. For the example, there's a dance might have a rental concept about what the course students might have in the class, and this research examines the impacts of the culture shock phenoms on the action culture adaptation. And number 5 is historical research. Historical research can help educators understand the current state of the education by shining a light on the past. It also helps them imagine alternative futures scenario in this field in the education and access their possibilities. In this chapter, explain the main step involved in the inducting of historical research. And number 1, identify the problem to be studied. Number 2 is looking for historical data source. And number 3, evaluate the authenticity and the accuracy of the historical data. Number 5, synthesizing historical data info, meaning is chronological and the thematic patterns. And then objective, explain the main difference between contents the nation's country's historical research. Mention some of the objectives for the historical research in the field of the education. Mention the main step influence in the inducting historical research study. Explain the 5 types of the historical studies in the education. The use of the document quantity of the active records. In the the monarchical historical research tends to be first positive and then the interpretive. The history of the education several important purposes. Before conducting a historical study, Ken should read several works of the histographs and also study the histograph on the current education historians. Report of their study often include a historiograph selection and defining a problem of the historical research. As with the other steps of the educational research, the first step in the search for the historical source of formulating a search plan. Historians need to have an idea of what they are looking for before starting their research, looking for sources that will provide the needed data. And the example is the development of Islam in Indonesia is a first evidence Indonesia in the counties brought by tourists and the religious leaders from another countries. At the time, there are still many large kingdoms in the Indonesia located in the Sumatera, Java, Sulawesi, and Maluku. The introduction of the Islam was slowly carried out all things Hindu and Buddhist culture. For the example, touch wayang performs to political marriage for marrying the king's daughter. Okay, that's all about the in this video. I will close with Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om.